Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dana and today we're going to go over how to draw the nose. So in my previous video we went over how to draw the eyes, and in the video before that we talked about how to construct the head. So if you haven't seen those, go check them out. I'll link them down in the description below. So I'm going to show you guys a couple different methods for drawing the nose. The first way I'll show you guys is a really simple way using just basic shapes, and it creates a nice simple little nose. And the second way is a more in-depth look at the planes and construction of the nose. So for the first method, we're going to start out with something really simple, just a circle, oval shape, and a triangle. So the triangle will be the underside of the nose. So once you have that, we'll add these little nostril shapes on either side. And this is where you can customize, because you can have the nostrils higher or lower or larger and smaller depending on the nose you're drawing. Put a little shading on there. And that's it. That's really it. A very simple little nose. Makes a cute little button nose. Now you can customize this by changing the size and shape of your triangle and your circle. So if you want a bigger nose, you can start with a bigger oval or circle shape. You can raise or lower the nostrils as well. And if you want your nose to be more downturned, changing the size of your little triangle. So now if I wanted my nose to be more downturned, probably not show the nostrils as much. Again, just play around with changing up your circle and your triangle, but that's pretty much it. So, really simple method for drawing the nose. We can also use the same method to draw the nose at different angles. So let's try again, circle. And for the triangle, let's say I want to do this at like a 3/4. So we're just going to distort the triangle a little bit. So kind of maybe make one side a little longer. Again. Got our nostril shape over here. And then just the hint of a second nostril over on this side. profile. Again, start with our little circle shape. Do a little triangle. Again, you want to stretch and distort the triangle a little bit. And add a nostril. Redefine this edge here. Have a side view. So there's different types of noses, and again, you can make an endless variety of different nose shapes and sizes just by playing around with the different size of the triangle and the circle. So now the second method I'm going to show you is a little bit more in depth, and we're going to use that construction method. So if you guys remember the video on the head, this will be very similar. Start with construction lines, and you can even separate this into sections, and you can get really detailed with the bridge of the nose and the shape of the nose here. So if people have more like curved bridges and have like kind of asymmetrical noses, get fun with that. So I'm going to add the side planes of the nose. And you can even curve this a little. Now we'll create this bottom plane of the nose for the nostrils. And now we'll add in the actual nostrils, little curve shapes, and also the sides of the nostrils, these little parenthesis line shapes. And you can go ahead and add little details. I'm erasing some of these construction lines. So now we'll do this method one more time from a 3/4 view and also a side view. so for the last part of this video, we'll add a nose to the drawing that we were working on in our first video on constructing the head. We already see some construction lines here, so we're just gonna go with it. Just use these and add our nose. Well, that concludes my video on how to draw the nose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with all of your friends. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, go ahead and hit that little bell icon as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!